Penal Code 529 defines the crime of false personation, or it's sometimes called false impersonation. And basically, this is a situation where you assume somebody else's identity for the purpose of either A, harming that person, or B, gaining some benefit for yourself. Now, keep in mind it has to be a real person. So, for example, if the cops pull me over and I tell them, I'm James Bond 007, that's not false personation because that's not a real person. That's a fictitious character. So you have to assume the identity of somebody who's a real person. I'll give you some examples of how this works. Suppose the police pull you over and your driver's license is suspended. So you know if you tell the cops who you are, you're going to get arrested for driving on a suspended license. And therefore, you give the police the name and date of birth of your brother. You pretend to be your brother so you can get out of trouble. That would be false impersonation. Or another example is online false personation. And we see a lot of this. There was a lawyer in San Bernardino who he had worked at the DA's office. He got fired and he was very angry at his former employer. So he actually created a fake Facebook account in the name of his former boss, purporting to be her, and posted a lot of inflammatory things, purporting to be from her, posted by her. Well, the police traced his IP address, went and seized his computers and busted him, and this lawyer was ultimately prosecuted and convicted and lost his license to practice law.